Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Lab Edition. In this video I'm going to unbox Acer Aspire Lite AL14 and it's a brand new laptop. Let's unbox this laptop and then see what do we have inside. So we have a laptop in this box. I'm going to open this laptop. So on the left hand side we have a USB port, one USB, one HDMI and one C-type, plus the charging port. On the right hand side we have SD card reader, two USB ports and the audio jack. So let's open it. Right, so I'm gonna put it on the side. The keys are very nice. So this is the perfect keyboard. Plus we have the camera protection. This is normally very good for privacy. So this is Acer Aspire Lite series from Acer. And what do we have in the box? We have the step guide. Then we probably have a charger. Take the charger out. So we have this AC connector. This is your charger. So basically that's all you get from Acer Aspire box, charger and the laptop. And thank you for watching.